Welcome to Podgora, a stunning destination located in the heart of Makarska Riviera in Croatia. This charming town is known for its fine pebble beaches and azure blue sea, making it one of the most beautiful spots in the region. The stunning coastline with the imposing Biokovo Mountain in the background and clean turquoise waters make it a heaven for its visitors. The main beach in the center of Podgora is the most famous and largest, offering a wide range of water activities like banana boat rides, jet skiing, and boat tours. Medora Beach, located next to the main beach, is named after the popular Medora Auri Hotel. This fine golden pebble beach is perfect for families, with sunbeds and umbrellas available for rent and a dreamlike ambience to enjoy. Podgora's romantic waterfront promenade is lined with excellent restaurants, ice cream parlors, and cafe bars, all offering magnificent sea views. Parking along the beachfront is not permitted, and there are only a few places to park your car, so it's better to come earlier to find a free spot. Podgora's natural beauty, vibrant promenade, and numerous activities ensure an unforgettable vacation experience. Due to its unique location, sunset in Podgora is exceptionally beautiful. During the summer, the sun goes down right between the islands, offering an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a local or a tourist, Podgora Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to enjoy the best of Croatia's coastline. Subscribe to know more about Croatia